Welcome to CoinChanger. Are you tired of complex and time-consuming processes to transfer your cryptocurrencies? Well, I have great news for you. In 2024, CoinChanger has revolutionized the way we convert our digital assets. Now, you can effortlessly transfer your Binance holdings to your PayPal, Skrill, or bank account within minutes. No more complicated withdrawal procedures or high transaction fees. CoinChanger has simplified the process to ensure a seamless and secure transfer experience. With just a few clicks, you can convert your Binance funds into traditional currency and have it deposit directly into your desired account. Say goodbye to endless waiting times and hello to instant conversion. CoinChanger leverages cutting-edge technology to provide lightning-fast transactions, ensuring that your funds reach your account swiftly and smoothly. But that's not all. CoinChanger also guarantees top-notch security for your digital assets. Your personal information and transaction details are protected by the most advanced encryption protocols, giving you peace of mind throughout the entire process. So, whether you're looking to cash out your Binance holdings or simply want to access your funds in a more convenient way, CoinChanger is your go-to platform. Experience the future of cryptocurrency conversion today and join thousands of satisfied users who have already embraced this revolutionary service. Don't wait any longer. Start transferring your Binance holdings to your PayPal, Skrill, or bank account effortlessly in 2024. Visit CoinChanger now and unlock the power of hassle-free digital asset conversion and check out the description for the link. We are happy to help and thanks for watching.